Hi friends, welcome to my storytelling world. I am Nunni and I am here to take you on a magical adventure, fun, journey and exciting stories. So get ready to listen, imagine and enjoy. One day, a hungry dog found a bone. He was very happy. While crossing a river, he looked into the water and saw another dog with a bone. He wanted that bone too. He barked to scare the other dog, but his own bone fell into the river and was lost. The dog walked away hungry and sad. Moral of the story is don't be greedy. Thank you for listening to my story today. If you like it, don't forget to give thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. See you in the next story. Bye for now.